Every recovered fragment is meticulously scanned. Digital models map out stress and corrosion. This The ship's interior is completely stripped. Advanced robotics accelerate the heavy demolition. Inside the facility, the ship's massive steel skeleton is revealed. Robotic systems inspect. Ultrasonic scanners map the internal structure, ensuring absolute structural integrity.
Inside this massive facility, precision is everything. Robotic arms apply layers of anti-corrosion.
Efficiency meets absolute precision. Every micron is mapped. Inside this massive facility, robotic systems refurbish giant marine propulsion shafts. Modular construction is revolutionizing the shipyard. Precision robotics align
Precision robotic systems shape every panel. Vacuum lifts ensure perfect placement, while
precision scoring starts the process. Every perimeter is flawlessly polished. This luxury deck is receiving a massive upgrade. Robotic arms ensure absolute precision. Automated systems transform the upper deck. Heavy robotic arms place modular stone panels. The observation lounge is now complete, ready for its first guests.
automated systems are redefining luxury landscaping. Precision robotics deliver and install every module.
From a rusted wreck to a sleek ocean mansion, robotic systems apply the final luxury finish. Welcome to the completed ocean mansion, where automated systems verify every perfect detail. A rusted wreck no more. Behold the ultimate floating mansion.
Once a rusted relic, this vessel has been reborn. It is now the ultimate floating mansion.